Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Festool Router Accessories is probably one of the most versatile and high-quality router bits and accessories on the market, offering woodworkers unparalleled precision, durability, and a wide range of options to tackle any project, from intricate detailing to heavy-duty shaping, ensuring smooth cuts and clean finishes every time, making them a worthwhile investment for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. Festool of 1400 Guide Stop Adapter. This adapter seamlessly integrates your 1400 router with the FS Guide rail system. It's the perfect solution for precise, straight cuts every time. Enjoy fine adjustment controls, allowing for precise cuts in increments of 1/10 mm. Achieve the accuracy you demand for your projects. The included support foot levels the router, ensuring smooth operation and increased stability. Say goodbye to uneven cuts. It attaches quickly and easily using 2 rods already included with your 1400 router. Get set up and routing in minutes. It's made in Germany, ensuring the highest quality and durability. It's a tool you can rely on for years to come. Transform your routing tasks with this adapter. Experience the precision and ease of perfectly guided, straight cuts. What we like. It offers fine adjustment controls for precise cuts. The support foot ensures smooth and accurate routing. If you need perfectly guided straight cuts with your Festool of 1400 router, this is the accessory for you. What people say. It worked great for milling tenons on the end of a dining room table in building. So easy to use and the setup takes seconds. Installation on the router is straightforward, adjustment and accuracy are excellent. Easy to use with one hand guiding the router and the other keeping slight pressure on the guide knob. First use was making 28 long tenons in the end of a hard maple workbench that I built, which was incredibly easy with this guide and the Festool router. Number 4. Festool of 1400 Edge Guide. This parallel edge guide ensures perfectly straight cuts along your material's edge. It's ideal for creating dados, grooves, and more with accuracy. Achieve ultimate precision with its fine adjustment control. You can dial in the distance from the edge in increments of 1/10 mm. The integrated dust extraction hood keeps your workspace clean. This saves you valuable time and effort on cleanup. It attaches quickly and easily to your router using thumb screws and steel rods. Setup is simple and straightforward. Made from durable cast aluminum and reinforced plastic, it's built to last. This ensures a long service life for reliable performance. Get consistently accurate results every time. It's the perfect tool for demanding woodworking projects. What we like. This parallel guide allows you to dial in the distance from the material edge with incredible precision. The dust extraction hood keeps your workspace clean. If you're looking for ultra-precise routing and efficient dust extraction, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Festool Edge Guide is easy to attach to the router, set to the marks and really easy to make precise fine adjustments. The other great thing about this guide, and the reason you might consider getting 2, is that you can use a pair of them in place of the Festool 495246 plexiglass template routing aid, and for half the price. The Festool guide rods are long enough to reach both sides of the router at once, and with one of these on each side you can easily route the edges of doors and other narrow stock where a single guide would probably be too unstable. Usual Festool quality and precision, beautifully made and a joy to use. I use this as a second fence to accurately center the router on narrow stock. Having fine adjusters on both fences makes this very easy and quick to set up mortises and grooves and to make fine lateral adjustments to widen the groove or mortise as required. Number 3. Festool of 2200 Accessory Kit. This kit contains all the essential accessories for your 2200 router. Everything is neatly organized for easy access and use. All the accessories are stored in a durable and convenient sustainer. Keep your workspace tidy and your tools readily available. This kit includes components designed for use with imperial measurements. It's the perfect solution for those who prefer this system. Buying this kit is more economical than purchasing each item individually. Save money and get everything you need in one package. It comes in compact packaging, easy to store and transport. The dimensions are 8.3464 x 11.6142 w x 15.5512 inches. Get the most out of your 2200 router with this comprehensive accessory kit. It has everything you need to tackle any project. What we like. It keeps all your 2200 accessories neatly organized and readily accessible. It includes all the imperial components you need. If you own an 2200 and prefer imperial measurements, and want to save money, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The kit holds all the needed accessories for the 2200. Edge guide, guide rods and various bases all store conveniently away in the stackable, nesting cases. Truly a must-have in order to get the most from your 2200. Ease of use and rock-solid fit. Number 2. Festool 203160 Parallel Guide Set. This set includes parallel guides and extensions, saving you money compared to buying them separately. It's a great addition to your Festool guide rail system. It provides a faster and easier way to make consistent rip cuts. Say goodbye to tedious measurements and uneven cuts. This system makes achieving consistent rip cuts effortless. It's perfect for any woodworking project requiring precision. 2 adjustable stops ensure your cuts are perfectly parallel to the edge of your material. It allows for precise cuts every time. It extends your cutting capacity up to 650 mm, 25/1932 in. This makes it ideal for larger projects. This set simplifies the process of making precise cuts, saving you time and effort. It's a must-have for any serious woodworker. What we like. This set provides a faster and easier way to create consistent rip cuts. It extends the capabilities of your guide rail system. If you need to make consistent rip cuts efficiently and save money, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Great accessory to the track saw guide. A real accurate time saver. This product is ideal for someone who lacks access to a large table saw or is on a job site and has to do 100 of the same size pieces. It definitely helps to break down 4x8 sheets of material into more workable that can be easily handled on the miter saw and/or table saw. Getting old is not fun and lifting large panels is hard. This addition with a Festool track saw is a must-have if your table saw is too small or the panel is too big to handle. Number 1. Festool 1400 Table Widener. This innovative addition significantly expands your work surface. It's designed for seamless integration with your existing 1400 router table. Simply attach it to your 1400 to instantly gain extra space. It's quick and easy to install, requiring minimal tools. It provides a more stable and secure working platform. This helps you achieve precise cuts and improves overall accuracy. Now you can handle larger projects with ease. It opens up a world of possibilities for your woodworking tasks. It's built to Festool's high standards, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's a valuable addition to any woodworking shop. It's perfectly compatible with your 1400. Enjoy a smooth and efficient workflow with this expansion. What we like. It significantly increases the working surface area of your 1400 router. This provides greater stability during operation. If you need more space for your projects and improved stability, this is a great addition to your setup. What people say. The magnetic chip guard is very convenient and stays put during operation. It's also reversible so you can mount the plate overhang to be on either side of the router. Very rigid, flat and durable. If you do much edge routering with a Festool router, you need this to make the router more stable when it is hanging over the edge of the workpiece. You could make your own, but this one is perfectly flat, smooth, and helps with dust collection. Fits a 1400 EQ. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.